Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make with a warp. This is going to be our final envelope distort. So go ahead and start off with text that you want to play around with. I have swimfish here. And what you're going to do is once you have your text selected, go up to Object, Envelope Distort, and make with warp. And what you'll notice here, I'll move this window out of the way, is that we have a few different styles that we can choose from. So feel free to go through some of these different ones and see which ones are interesting to you. And just know that anything that you do, you can actually fully edit and customize to meet the needs of your project. So I'm actually going to use the fish one because it really complements my text here. And what I can do is I can actually adjust some of the bend characteristics here to make it look a bit fishier. If the preview isn't showing up, go ahead and check and uncheck the preview box. I can also play around with the vertical and horizontal distortion to meet your needs. The dialog boxes are going to look slightly different depending on which warp options you choose, but feel free to play around with it and just do whatever works best for your project. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And what you'll notice here is I can actually still come in here and use my transform tools to resize it, make it a bit narrower, whatever I want. The cool thing about this is I can actually also couple it with any of my other object selection options. So for example, if I wanted to come in here with my shape tool, and let's say I wanted to add a little head to this fish, I could go ahead and do a single click and add a triangle. I could rotate the triangle. Let's say I might want to change my color here to match the text, change it to black. And then what I can also do is I can come in here with my direct selection tool and I can move this in. I can round out some of these shapes and just customize it to really meet your needs. I think there'll probably be a few things I want to edit here to make it look a little bit more fishy, but you get the gist and just experiment with the warp features for now.